Moving from one-to-one services, helping one person at a time, over to online where you can help anyone in the world sounds appealing, but whenever you start your business, you have to decide, are you just going to be testing it out, or are you building a business that's going to scale? And the difference between the two is the platform that you choose. There are websites where you can just create a website and see if anyone wants to buy from you. And there are websites where you can host all your coaching programs, have a website, send out emails, create a podcast, everything that's going to scale your business in one platform. And that's the difference between testing it out and starting off a business with scale. Now, I do talk about the platform Kajabi. That's the platform I promote and help people on. And with Kajabi, it's an all-one platform. And as I mentioned, you can have your website on there, a podcast, you can offer your coaching programs, collect payment, you can send emails, you can do it all. Now I'm going to walk through a little demo about what Kajabi, the back end and the front end look like. So this is my first website on Kajabi. I was a personal chef and I worked for about 25 families cooking dinners in their home every week. I do all the shopping. I bring the groceries to their house, cook a bunch of meals, and leave them in the refrigerator for them to heat and serve throughout the week. So my specialty was healthy weeknight dinners. I would do this 5 days a week, and after a while I thought, my income is capped. This is the most I can make in 1 week. And that was with one-to-one services. I just knew there had to be a better way. How can I scale what I'm doing now to helping many people? And that's where I came up with the idea of creating an online course about the personal chef business that ended up replacing my career of working individually in people's homes. I was able to move from one-to-one services to helping anyone in the world and replace my income. I'm here to help you as well create online courses and coaching programs on the Kajabi platform. You've probably been on the Kajabi website and not even know it. It has all the features of any other website platform with navigation on top here. You can have the footer down at the bottom with any kind of buttons you'd like. You can have a form. You can have FAQ. You can have images, background. You can have images with animation, background photos, clickable images. You can have pretty much anything you can think of as you can on a regular website, you can have on a Kajabi website. And most importantly, you can sell online courses. So when you go here, I have all my programs listed and I describe them a little bit, and then you can click on it to go over to a full sales page. And there's the button to go ahead and purchase it. And then I'm ready to start now. And here you are where you can enter payment and then receive the program. So the program is available behind a paywall. And let me show you now what the back end of Kajabi looks like. Here I am on the back end of one of my test websites. This is the navigation on the left, and you can see we have products, sales, the website itself, marketing, which are emails, contacts, where all your contacts live, analytics, where you can see what's going on in the back end. Media library is where all your videos are stored. And then I'll get into the rest, or a little more advanced. So the basics, though, are the dashboard. So when you first log in, you can see your metrics of how your sales are going. Next, we have products, where you can go ahead and click all products. And you can see what I have in here. I have a few programs, sample programs in here, coaching program, and an online course. If you want to create a product, is as simple as creating a new product, and you run through what you'd like to create here. Let's say it's a course. I'm going to choose a course, get started. I choose whether I want it to be evergreen, meaning it's a course that's available all the time, or it's a cohort course, meaning perhaps they're watching the course and we're doing some live sessions as well. I'm going to choose an evergreen course, give a little title. And if you want a brief description in here, you can use this information to generate content. So they'll create sort of an outline for you based on the title. Let's just say how to surf. That's the name of my course. All you need to know about surfing. Next. And you can choose your brand colors and upload a thumbnail for your course. Or you can just do it later. And then it'll say how much would you like to charge. Is it a one-time payment? Is it a payment plan, subscription? There's also payment plans internally where you can hook up Klarna and Afterpay and PayPal as well. You can also offer Google Pay and Apple Pay. I'll just skip all those for now. And you'll see it generate a course. And here's generated a full outline of course for me. So I don't have to totally start from scratch. If I expand all, you can see it gave me an idea of what kind of outline I can use to start my course. So now I just need to start with this and create a quick 10-minute lesson for each of these little spots. And then I have a full course ready for sale. Something else Kajabi offers is a community. You can put a community forum in here. So let's go to the community. And it looks like this on the back end and the front end, actually. So this is exactly what your people are going to see, minus, all the setting features. Like you have a settings button up here and they won't see that. But you can have, it's kind of like a Facebook feed in here where you can type whatever you want to say. People can comment on it. You can ask for homework assignments. Go ahead and upload your video here. Show me your PDF, whatever you want to ask for homework in here. You can do some challenges where once a week there's some kind of homework assignment and it can be called the challenge of the week. You can have meetups, so you can go live right here inside Kajabi and everybody can RSVP to your meetup and show up live and talk about everything together. So it's similar. The view is similar to what it would look like on a Zoom. And then we have the leaderboard, which is really important for gamifying the whole experience inside the community. So to encourage more interaction inside the community, if you create a contest where whoever has the most interaction this month, they can receive a free one-on-one from you. So that's a way to get people interact more and they can see how they're doing with the leaderboard. And you can schedule all your posts ahead. You can add your offers over here. So here will be all the feed. And then over here, you can have an upsell to whatever offer you're trying to promote this week. And then the latest meetups will be over here and the latest challenges. And let's say you don't want to offer challenges. You can just hide this area. No problem. So I'm back here in the main navigation again. Another thing we can do is podcasts. So you can create a podcast here and stream it over to Spotify and Apple, anywhere else. So normally you'd probably get a service like Libsyn to host your podcast, but instead you can do it for free right here inside Kajabi as part of what's included. There's the newsletter feature. So in Kajabi, you can offer two different kinds of newsletters. You can just send out a general email to everybody on your list, and that would just be an email broadcast. Or you can make a newsletter behind a login wall. It could be a paid newsletter or a free newsletter, but they'd have to log in to access it this way. And if you don't want that, this is kind of a cool feature if you want to offer an archive newsletter. So let's say you put out a newsletter every week and you want people to read past letters. This could be a way to showcase them. If you do an email broadcast, then it's just one email that goes out. And it's kind of like if they don't read it that week, they'll never see it again. And this is a way to archive your past newsletters. And then you can offer downloads, in which case you can have unlimited downloads. These downloads would be available behind a login wall. People would have to log in to access it. And if you don't want them to have to log in to access it, there's another way to do it. You can have your downloads available right there on the landing page, or you can have them fill their name and email out in a form and they can receive the download via email. So there's many different ways that they can receive a download, either behind this login wall, via email, or right there on the landing page. And you can have as many downloads as you want inside Kajabi. You can have a page with 500 downloads if you want. You can have a page with 500 downloads where each one is a paid product and they have to log in to access that paid download. Kajabi also offers an affiliate program where people can sign up as an affiliate for your offer. You can give them a commission for every sale they make. Let's say you have a $400 online course for sale, every time somebody signs up under their link, they can receive 20% of that $400. They can come in and see how they're doing. They can grab links. You can make contests. You can gamify the affiliate program where there's a leaderboard, and whoever has the most sales this month gets an award, just like you would inside the community. If you don't want to collect payment right at the time of a coaching service, you can perform the coaching and then send them an invoice later on. Or you can have them pay for coaching first and then receive access to the coaching program after that. It's your choice if you'd like them to pay first or pay afterward. And I already talked about website pages. So you can create a whole website in Kajabi. Instead of starting from totally scratch, they actually offer some templates. So if I click over here on the landing pages and I want to create a brand new sales page, I have no idea what to create in a sales page, so I want some ideas. I could choose new landing page. And you can see here that Kajabi offers all these templates. See, there's 12 sales pages to choose from. So you don't have to totally start from scratch. So let's say I want to choose this one. I just choose that and say, give it a title. And it'll just take a couple seconds for it to generate. And I at least have somewhere to start. So to change this text, I just click on it and it pops up on the left, and I could just replace the whole thing with whatever I want to say. Let's just say I don't like this picture in the back. I click on the picture, pops up on the left, and I can upload a brand new image. Let's say I want the navigation on the left. I can click there and move the navigation over. So it's pretty simple to customize any page however you want to look. I believe the max is 50 sections, but inside each section you can have multiple items. So like in this section, there are 4 images. I can also add, say, a form to this section. So here I can add a form and collect name and email in exchange for some kind of newsletter after I have these images. So you can actually add anything you want inside each section. You can see add a block. You can see all the items that you can add: a call to action, coaching scheduling widget, a countdown timer. I can place a video here. I can just put a link, social icons, video embed from YouTube, anything you'd like. You can customize this page to be exactly how you want it. So here I am in the blog area, and you can, inside each blog post, you have the title, the body of it, and then you can make your own URL if you'd like. And there's SEO, where you can fill all this in and make it a little more enticing over on Google. And I'll place a link in the comments below where you can receive these bonuses: the Kajabi build order map, so you know what to build first in Kajabi; the Kajabi perfect launch checklist, so your first launch doesn't go bad; and also the idea to offer formula. So if you kind of have an idea of what you want to offer, but you're not quite sure, this will probably help you out. And you'll receive these bonuses with the link below, where you can do a Kajabi trial for 30 days for free, or you can do 3 months for $99, your choice. And then we have the marketing tab here, and this is where you can create funnels, email campaigns. You can send out an email broadcast to everybody on your list, or you can segment to just the people who own this particular product, or even send it to people who don't own a product so you can market this product to them. You can send an email to just people who filled out this form. You can send an email to people who fill out this form and have this tag. It's like, if there's an automation, you can think of it, you can probably make it happen inside Kajabi. And there are events. So you can create an event, let's just say on June 5th at 6 p.m., I'm going to have a webinar, and I want to send people to a form to fill out. And whenever they fill out that form, they're going to receive a confirmation of registration, and then they're going to receive a reminder to show up emails. So all that can be done right here inside Kajabi by creating an event. And I already showed you the forms where people can fill out a form, and they can either receive some kind of free download from it, or they can receive access to a course, or pretty much whatever you'd like to give them. After filling out the form, you can make anything happen as far as an automation. And all this stuff happens automatically. Once you set it up once, it kind of runs itself. So once you have a page where people enter their name and email, you don't have to manually send them that freebie that you're promising them. It automatically goes out. So you can be sleeping and they're receiving the freebie. And once somebody fills out a form on your website, they'll automatically land on your contacts list. Let me show you the contacts list. So all the people who've purchased anything, filled out a form, or anything where they've put their name and email on your website, they're going to land here in the contacts area. And let's open one up. And here's what inside the CRM looks like. So you can see everything they've ever done in here, any emails they've received, any products they've received, any offers they've purchased. It'll all be under here. And there's information, any kind of information you collect on a form, it'll be right here, and you can just take a look easily. You can see all the tags they have over here, any purchases they've made, products they own, and you can make little notes. Say they've messaged you about a few things. Maybe you want to put some notes in here, so next time they message you, you can easily look and see that you guys have talked before and reference that. And then we have assessments, which are kind of like surveys. You can create a quiz this way, a simple quiz with maybe 1 or 2 answers that leads to a result. Or you can create a survey where you can ask people, how are things going in the community? What can I improve? What's your feedback about my coaching product? So it's a great way to get feedback on what's going on behind the scenes with your students. The analytics here are what Kajabi's really been working on lately. You can see there are reports you could pull. And here are some of the reports, and I have a feeling Kajabi is going to be adding more and more over time. So this is a lot of reports that you can be running, so you don't have to go hand analyzing all kinds of stuff. And then you can choose the overview as like a quick glance at how your business is doing. And there's the app. When you create a website on Kajabi and you have offers and everything, it is mobile friendly. So people can go on their mobile phone and browse just like they can on our desktop. And with the mobile app, there are 2 options you can do. One is that you can have your clients download the Kajabi app. Say go to the Google Store or the Apple Store, download the Kajabi app, and they can access everything just like they would on the desktop. But it would say Kajabi on the app. Now, if you purchase the branded app, or if you got the highest tier of Kajabi, it'll come for free. Otherwise, it does cost extra every month, but it will be your branded app. And it's a little bit different than desktop. You can make special offers over there than what they'd see in a desktop browser. If you built your website on GoDaddy or Squarespace, you're just building a website over there. If you're going to have somebody access a course, you need another plugin. If you want to send out emails, you need another plugin. So with Kajabi, you're purchasing one platform and everything talks to each other, so you don't have to figure out 2 platforms and how they interact together. You're learning to use one software only. And of course, I can help you with that. I am a Kajabi expert and tutor, and I really enjoy helping people navigate the platform. My website is at digitalcoursefreelancer.com. And also down in the comments, you can get a 30-day free trial of Kajabi, or you can choose 90 days of Kajabi for $99 and also receive all the bonuses that I talked about. The bonus of the Kajabi build order map, so it tells you what to do first whenever you get Kajabi. Also the perfect launch checklist, so you can run through and make sure everything is just right before you go and share your new coaching program with the public. And the idea to offer formula will help you figure out exactly what to be offering. So feel free to reach out if I can help you with any questions. Again, my website is at digitalcoursefreelancer.com.